Today is Sunday. Before we head out to Arizona for the second part of our trip, we went to the church in Las Vegas to worship the Lord there. We grabbed a quick lunch at Subway and start our road trip. Sightseeing muna sa Lake Mead. 3.5 hours passed and now we are at Route 66 in Arizona. Na-enjoy din namin tong museum na to na for free. Old cars, vintage. They say Route 66 is a historic place. Ayan, naglaro pa yung dalawang boys. They got skunked.
There you go.
It's almost dinner kaya nag-pick up na lang kami ng Indian to go and we'll eat it at our Airbnb, our temporary place for the next 2 nights. And this is the place. It's in Flagstaff, 2-bedroom, towels for the bathtub, board games. This is the room, the kids' room. And this is our dinner. The next day will be so long. So, ito ang aming breakfast, empanada. Road trip again. It will be about 7.5 hours road trip back and forth. Flagstaff to Page to Grand Canyon back to Flagstaff. Nice place. Our first stop is the Horseshoe Bend. It's a long walk. This dry heat. Siguro 11 a.m. kami nandito, so mainit, about 90 degrees. I'm doing the walk here at Horseshoe Bend in Arizona. See, this is my son. She's now wearing her tights. She started with a jacket. We're loving this nature trip. Ganda talaga. Napaka-lalim nitong Horseshoe Bend na ito. Of course, knowing me, I have to take a lot of pictures because pictures remind me of the place I went to.
Where'd they go?
Post lang ng post, kahit pagod, smile lang ng smile. And my son challenged me to do this video clip. Oh, it's so scary. I will not do it again. Bored na yata si Zach or gutom lang. Gutom means hungry.
Yes.
I have character.
Snow White.
No.
Already said.
The hint is little.
Going to the Antelope Canyon requires a tour guide. Kaya eto kami, we are on time. Another walking downhill, but it was all worth it. Napakaganda ng nature. Imagine this natural formation of the wind and water. Kind of sacred place into some tribes in that area. Amazing talaga. There is a rock formation here that resembles like a lady. So we saw it. I don't know what these hand markings are. And now we're heading back to our truck. Ito yung mahirap. It's going up. And we're still not done for this day. We're going to Grand Canyon, Meter Point. We only spent less than 30 minutes here because it's almost dusk. I wish I had more time, but kulang na sa oras. Want to soak more of this nature beauty. It's okay, at least the kids got to taste it. Me and Joel were here 20 years ago, but we are not couples back then. Trivia yon.
That was so much harder. So much harder than you think to get up here.
And that concludes our long, beautiful nature trip today. It's so worth it. Praise the Lord. It's already late and Erin still had to cook dinner. After 1.5 more drive, the kids are having fun doing the hamburger. I just love seeing these kids bond in the kitchen. Nakakatuwa. The kids still had strength to do the hot tub, but mom is already low battery. Yun lang, the end.